You are about to see why thousands of people in India are already talking about this phone. Motorola just launched something that should not exist at this price point. A phone so thin, so powerful, and so loaded with battery life that it makes phones costing twice as much look like a bad deal. Like, share and subscribe right now and hit that bell icon because you do not want to miss what is coming next. Today we are breaking down the brand new Motorola Edge 70 Fusion India Edition, and the Indian version is not the same phone that launched in Europe. Motorola gave India something better, significantly better. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why. The display is a 6.8-inch Extreme AMOLED quad curved panel with 450 pixels per inch. Your eyes cannot see individual pixels. Everything looks sharp, crisp, and detailed. Peak brightness hits 5200 nits, which means perfect visibility under direct sunlight. It has Widevine Level 1 certification, so Netflix and Prime Video stream at full quality. Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus are supported. Refresh rate goes up to 144 Hz with 60/90 and 120 Hz options as well. Protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, the 50 megapixel primary camera uses the Sony LYTIA 710 sensor built for low light performance. Optical Image Stabilization is included of feature phones at double this price, sometimes skip. The 13 megapixel ultrawide covers 120 degrees and doubles as a macro lens. Both cameras are Pantone validated for accurate colors. Front camera is 32 megapixels with 4K video support. Now here's what Motorola is not shouting about loudly enough. India gets the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4, while the rest of the world gets the older Gen 3. One full generation ahead exclusively for India. AnTuTu score crossed 1.1 million points. That was flagship territory 2 years ago. Gaming runs smoothly with Dead Trigger 2 and Skyforce Reloaded hitting 120 frames per second. The phone ships with Android 16, 3 years of OS updates, and 5 years of security patches. Stop before the battery section, you need this context. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has 4,685 mAh. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has 5,000. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion India Edition has 7,000, in a body just 7.99 millimeters thin, weighing 193 grams. The previous model was thicker and had 1,500 mAh less. Motorola made it thinner and bigger at the same time. In our charging test, it hit 50% in 28 minutes and reached 100% in 1 hour and 7 minutes with the included 68-watt adapter. Build quality includes IP68 and IP69 water resistance ratings and MIL-STD 810H military-grade durability certification. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos NFC and wet touch display support are all included. Pricing starts at 26,999 rupees for 8 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes, 29999 rupees for 8 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes, and 32999 rupees for the top 12 gigabyte 256 gigabyte model. Sales begin March 12th on Flipkart Motorola India website and retail stores. At under 30,000 rupees, no other phone bundles, a next generation exclusive chip, a Sony sensor, a 5200 nit display, 7,000 mAh battery, and military grade durability together. If you think one does, name it in the comments right now because that conversation will be interesting. If this helped you, hit the thumbs up, share it with someone buying a new phone, and subscribe because the full review with battery tests and camera samples is coming very soon. See you in the next one.